thinking about old lovers and melting into their arms in early morning dreams. Jeanne Gugino.
Reading the Sunday paper. Sun lights the tulips in a vase on the table. Sunday newspapers spread about with their fires and furies, commentary and comics. It's chilly outside, well below freezing. Sun shines on the tulips at my table. Staring up from the page, the mumbling politician, as if his mouth had held pebbles, proud of his blocking tactics, smug in his power, his contempt. I can turn the page on him. The tulip petals flutter, yellow tipped with red. Buy love on a thin gold chain. A jewelry ad appears, elegance next to the tornado story, devastation, ragged-edged refugees. My coffee grows cool. I hear the furnace run. Sun, tulips, warmth at my table. Sarah Coletti.
In the midst, sheets of snow hurried by harsh gales circle the house in white veils. No sun appears today. Time to hunker down near the fire where flames flicker and dance beyond the beat of winter's steady drum. Lainie, Senechal.
Final lap. The pot is stirred. We are steamed up, prepared to fortify the ramparts. The fight to save the remnants of democracy is underway. Wake up, citizens. Get up from your programmed news bites. Don't wait for fire engines to put out the blaze. We are in the home stretch. If the race is to be won, you need to run full steam and swift as a raptor pursuing his prey. Add a prayer to restore your energy. In the final lap, no holding back. Our only embers will remain from the flame's brutal embrace. Harris Gardner.
Awakening. Story based on Japanese mythology. Once upon a time, the sun goddess was distressed by human misconduct. So disturbed that she hid in a cave and went to sleep. The world turned completely black and people had to spend days and nights in darkness. Time went on and people could no longer endure the harsh life without the sun. They hurried to the cave and called her name, but she did not wake up. Then they started to dance in a circle with a drum beat in front of the cave. So loud and cheerful that the sun goddess finally opened her eyes and looked outside. Suddenly, the world became bright and shining, and those dark days were gone. Then people started to behave themselves and lived happily ever after. Takahiro Miyao.
I am a ragged scrap caught on a branch, fluttering in the wind. I am a pebble worn down by a river's rushing water. I am a thin coat pulled tight against the chill of a winter night. Seasons turn and turn. I continue on. Michael Biales.
Awakening from a deep sleep, one eye opens. Kate Finnegan.